Hello everyone, welcome to Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. And with our great tips, I'm sure you can overcome any maths obstacles that you face in no time at all. Today you are going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of fraction. So sit back, relax and enjoy the lesson. Hello, people. Today we are going to try to help a primary 5 student by the name of Diana from Kheng Cheng School to solve her math problem on the topic of fraction.
So Mary used 2/5 of a bit and James used 3/7 of a bit. Mary used 30 more bits than Jane. Very good question. Can we continue now to do? Okay. So we have Mary and Jane, and we know that they have so many bits all together. Yes? So this is what we can do. We just write here all together. Yeah? So many bits. Is it okay? Very easy to do, very easy to understand, right? Now, Mary used 2/5 of her bits. That means I should draw 5 boxes for Mary, right? Yes or no?
Yep.
Yeah? So I should use 5 boxes for 5 boxes in which 2 boxes I use. Yes or no? Yes? So let me see. We'll draw 5 boxes for Mary. Come, let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll draw one more, 5. Yes. But she used 2/5. Yes. So yeah, I'm going to separate out the 2/5. That means she left 3/5. Yes. This is used. Can you see it? Used? U-S-E-D. Yes. Left. Can you see it? Can? Agree? Okay. So far, so understand?
Yep.
Okay, then Jane used 3/7. That means I need to, what do? I need to cut this one into 7 pieces, right? Yes? So you use 3/7. So maybe it's like that. Yes? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have no idea how much, but this one will left. Simply draw is okay, yeah? So 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Yes? As far as Jane is concerned. So far, can you understand? So far?
Yep.
Good. Then James used 3/7, but he said what? Mary used 30 bits more than Jane. 30 bits means from where to where is 30? Here must be 30. Can you see? Can you see? Here to here must be 30. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, what can we do now? So you can see here, if this one is called a unit, this one is called a unit, this one is called a unit, yes? All these are called units. If I call the small one as unit, yes? Okay, can? So you can see 2 boxes of Mary, 2 gigantic boxes is like 3 unit plus 30, right? Yes or no? Can you see that? You can see the picture because Mary used 30 more than Jane, right? So in order for Jane to catch up with Mary, 2 boxes, Jane has to use 30 more. So you can see 3 unit plus 30 is the 2 giant red unit. Can you see this or not first? Very important. See, Jane used 3/7, 1, 2, 3, but she married 2 boxes, but Mary 2 boxes used 30 more than Jane, right? It's longer than Jane by 30. Can you see why I draw here? Can you see why I draw 30 here? Mary is 30 more, 30 more, 30 more. Can you see why? Because Jane used 1, 2, 3, and Mary used 2 only, but the 2 is 30 more. Can you see or not?
Yep.
Okay, can I? So because of that, can I write 3 unit plus 30 is equal to Mary 2 unit? Can you understand? Can you see? These 2 unit are 2 red boxes is 3 unit plus 30. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yes. So if one box there, 3 unit divided by 2 is, this guy is 1.5 unit. 1.5 unit, don't care because you got calculator, right? plus another what? 15, right? This is also, if you divide, it's 15 plus 1.5 unit. Do you understand? You can see now. Because if you share this 3 unit, do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? If you share this 3 unit, each one take 1.5, like 3 apple, each one take 1.5 apple, $30, each one take $15. Can you see now? So one red box, you know what is it now? It is one red box is $15 plus
1.5.
1.5 unit. Yes, $15 plus 1.5 unit. You can understand? $15 plus 1.5 unit. Yes? So can we talk about the original? So original, can you see? 655 is equal to what? The right hand side 655, but how many units we have here? 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 is how much? 3, 6, 7.5 unit. For the rate is 7.5 unit plus 15 times 5 is 75. Do you understand? This is the Mary one. So this is the Mary one. Can you see? Mary is actually 7.5 unit. Can you see? Do you agree? 1.5 times 5 and 15 times 5. So Mary is 7.5 unit plus 75. Do you understand? Whereas Jane, you can see Jane is just 7 unit. Can you see? 7 unit. Can you see? Now, do you understand why I did that? Jane is a green color one. The 7 unit is like that. Do you understand? Sophia, can you understand what I'm doing? The trick is you must know that the red box is 1.5 unit plus 15. Sophia, can you respond?
Yep.
Yeah, so what do I write? Add together is 14.5 unit. Okay, I write for you lah. So on the left hand side is actually 14.5 unit plus 75 would be equal to my 655 on my right hand side. I'm sure you can find what is 1 unit, right? So 14.5 unit is equal to 655 minus 75. And then unit is equal to 655 minus 75 divide by 14.5. I'm sure you get a nice number. You put your calculator lah.
X.
You get a nice number.
40.
40 Okay lo, 40 lo. So unit is 40. What can I do? So I write here 40. Okay, so how many bits did Mary have first? Mary at first will have this. Mary have 7.5. Mary at first have this one. So it's 7.5 times 40. Don't forget to add 75. That's what Mary has. So Mary at first has 7.5 unit plus 75, right? Which is 7.5 times 40 plus 75. That should be the answer. What's the answer?
375.
375. Okay, 375. Okay. You want me to check out why for you? So, okay, I do. Mary have 375 at first. Then Jane will have 40 times 7, right? Which is 280. I add this 5. Yes, confirm correct. You see? 375, Mary has 280. That's it. Can see? Now, you don't believe me? Mary now 375. This one is 280. Sophia, are you following? This is at first. Okay, Mary used 2/5 of a bit. So 375 times 2/5. How much she used? You put calculator and see how much you used. Whereas this one used 3/7 of a bit times 3/7. Can you see how much you used? Hey, Sophia, do this 375 times 2/5. This is what Mary used. How much she used?
150.
150 she used. Okay, this is how much Jane used. Jane has 280 and she used 3/7 of it. How much she used? 120.
120.
So Mary used more than her by 30. Yes, no? You see the question? Is it correct? Everything correct. This number must be correct one. See? Mary used 30. I put the whole picture here. You want, you can take a picture. You don't really need to check, but I actually checked for you because I don't have answer. Do you understand? Sophia, you don't really have to check this, but I checked for you. This one.
Yep.
So I guarantee you this is correct because I go and check the answer as well for you by working backwards.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.